Hello guys, welcome to another video. And so today I'm going to be teaching how to use um, the knob buttons. On other piano they are called knob buttons, and how to use the assign. All right, to assign the knob buttons. These are the knob buttons, how to assign them. Okay, on this piano SX-700. All right, this is SX-700. If you look behind, if you look keenly, okay, this SX-700. There's the map, SX-700. Okay, so it's the first button. If you look keenly, if you click on this assign here, this assign, what appears on the button, we have the filter and we have the reverb. Okay, I click again, we have the filter and the reverb. So this one is the filter and this one is the reverb. Okay, so if I touch this one, the first one, all right, okay, it shows that, you see, the filter is increasing. Okay, so we are filtering the sound, all right, and when I touch the second one, reverb is increasing as well. So what are the functions of these two knob buttons, on this piano? Okay, so the first one, okay, so I'm going to use it. You see how it works. Okay, all right guys, so how the first one, okay, the filter, how does it function? Okay, now if I'm playing, for example, a worship song, now let me go up a bit. We give you more. Okay, now get the filter effect. We give you more. All right, you see, the glory. All right, so it gives a very beautiful filter sound when you are doing worship. Now we come to this reverb. Now the reverb makes the sound to be more heavy. All right, so when you are setting your sound, this reverb should be around 30 to make the sound to be heavy. Okay, see, you get around 30, so you put it on 30. On 30 is just so awesome. So that's it guys. Those are the, so if you put it on maybe 0, you'll not really enjoy it, but now you put it on 30, you get the difference. All right, 31. So those are the functions of the knob buttons. All right, and the assign on the how we assign them on this piano SX-700 guys. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.